Scheduler. This is a place to keep track of appointments and tasks. To update a task, you go into the date of the task or appointment and enter the information in the relevant fields by pressing the pencil icons on the right side. You can set the task to repeat itself and set a reminder to remind you of the task on your device. Keep in mind that if you are using the web version on a computer, the reminder function will not work. You can also assign it to another member of your team by pressing Assign To and choosing their name from the drop-down list. Once you do that, the team member will get a notification of this task and they can choose to accept or decline it. When you look at the task, you will be able to see the status of the assignment, either pending, accepted, or declined. If the person attending to this task is not a member of the Dementia Talk app, simply select the option Other so that you can still keep track of who is taking care of each task. At the bottom, you have the option to write notes in the comments area. This can be useful to leave instructions for someone else who might be carrying that task, or to remind yourself of things you need to bring to the appointment or whatever the task entails. It is very common to have tasks that repeat themselves on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, but occasionally we may need to change some of the details of these tasks on a one-time occasion. Let's say that you assigned Sister to take the person to a neurologist every Wednesday, but this Wednesday they cannot, and you want to assign it to another person. For this, you will go into the day of the task, open it up, and press the button Exception Task to assign it to someone else, or if the time and place changes, you can change those as well. On your task list, you will now see the original task as well as the exception task for the specific date you chose. The schedule also syncs with the behavior graph. Therefore, the more detailed the activities are, the easier it will be for you to see if the behavior appears or escalates around certain tasks or activities.